Today, we're breaking down a bold vision for the internet's future. It's called Web4.
The argument is that our current internet is fundamentally broken, and we've hit a major turning point.
They call it digital feudalism. A few big platforms are the lords, and, well, we're the serfs.
Think about it. You create all the content, but they're the ones who extract all the value.
So how do we fix this? First, let's take a super quick look at how the web even got here.
Web1 was basically a read-only library. Great for information, but you couldn't really participate or create.
Web 2 changed all that with social media, but there was a catch. You became the product.
Web 3 was a step toward ownership, but it got bogged down in speculation and was just too complicated.
And that brings us to the proposed solution, a totally different kind of internet infrastructure.
Web 4 is about read, write, own. Here, ownership isn't some extra feature, it's the absolute default.
The mission is simple. Get rid of the gatekeepers and give you back control of your digital life.
First up is UIID, your digital passport. Instead of log in with Google, you just own your identity.
Then there's SNAS. It lets you launch your own social network. No algorithms, in just a few seconds.
And the best part? A 0% take rate. That means creators get to keep 100%.
And to tackle the truth crisis, source cryptographically signed content to prove where it actually came from.
So what does this actually look like? A banned journalist launches their own platform and reaches everyone directly. This chart really sums it all up. You're no longer a tenant. You become a sovereign online.
So instead of digital feudalism, the idea is to build a digital republic, one that's protected by code.
Bottom line, the time for being a digital tenant is over. It's now the era of the owner.
Which leaves us with a pretty big question. In your own digital life, what are you?